Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of another launch, the Google Pixel 10a. And here it is, the basic model of Google's 10 series promising to deliver a lot. We're going to check everything out in this video. And of course, as soon as it's available for you to buy in Brazil. If it ever becomes available, I'll leave the link for you here in the description, and there will also be a link showing up here on the screen, alright? But you can take part in the giveaway not just for this guy, but for several other products as well, now 100% legal by visiting our website, premiosdorodrigo.com.br. I'll also leave the link here in the video description. And of course, don't forget to leave your like, which helps a lot. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video with everyone, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of another new release, the Google Pixel 10a. Let's go to the video, let's do it. Starting the unboxing, there's a sleeve in the color of the device with the product image and the model highlighted as well, a red background on the back and the product version. And removing this sleeve, we have a beige box with a drawing of the device, and as soon as we open the box, we immediately see the device. And right below, there's an envelope with an ejector pin, a quick start guide, and an energy certificate. And below that, a charging and data transfer cable with USB-C on both ends. And as you already know, guys, the version sold here in Europe doesn't come with a charger in the box. But this guy supports 30-watt wired charging and 10-watt wireless charging. Now with the device fully set up, we have a 6.3-inch plastic organic light-emitting diode display with a 120 Hz refresh rate high dynamic range and a maximum brightness of 3000 nits. It has a very good grip, weighing only 183 grams and is 9 millimeters thick. And this coral color looks really beautiful. It definitely deserves that nice tap on the back. On the right side, there's the volume up and down and the power button. On the top, there's a microphone for noise reduction. On the left side, there's the SIM tray. And on the bottom, there's a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a stereo speaker. Let's discuss artificial intelligence. Since it's a Google smartphone, it naturally comes with Gemini integrated. And to access its features, you just need to click and hold at the bottom of the screen. The search field will open right away, and you just need to circle on the screen. Whatever is being shown there, it will immediately search for you and give you all the results. You can also press and hold the power button, and it will open Gemini so you can ask or search for whatever you want. Now talking about the battery, we have a 5100 mAh lithium battery. The performance is really good. It easily lasts all day, and the system is very well optimized. In the processor test I did with this guy here, the Google Tensor G4 with 4 nanometers, it scored 1,576 points on Antutu, a very good score. It will run everything you need very smoothly inside the Play Store. It heated up to 32.9 degrees and lost 5% battery, and now let's check out some footage of gaming with it. You can see that in the graphics settings of Call of Duty Mobile, it reaches the maximum quality and frame rate as well. And during the game, you can see that it runs very well too. No issues, no lag, nothing guys. It's a really good processor. You won't have any problems with it. It'll serve you really well. It's not a top-of-the-line processor, but let's say it's a premium mid-range one, so you won't have any problems with it. It also comes with IP68 certification resistant to submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and the operating system. We have a pure Android 16 running on the device with a promise of 7 years of updates. It also features near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments. And of course, Android Auto, which is a must-have. The on-screen fingerprint unlock and facial unlock work well. They're not the fastest on the market, but they're quite satisfactory. And there are only two versions of this guy here. 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage. It doesn't support memory expansion and has a slot for only one 5G nano SIM card and one eSIM. And now let's move on to its audio and video test. Let's go guys. Audio and video test of the Pixel 10a Advanced Quality, 2160p. Volume at maximum. Let's also turn the brightness up to the maximum and set it to full screen here. And the pinch now, let's go. Volume already at maximum. Look, stereo audio. And the sound is high quality, really good. Guys, the audio and image of this device are really good. This fold screen here is very beautiful and its audio is also really good. I just thought its bezels are a bit big. Like, I think they could be a little thinner. But anyway, that doesn't make the device any less beautiful. The screen is very beautiful and also very high quality. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the front, we have a 13 megapixel camera recording in 4K at 30 FPS with high dynamic range, right? Let's check out some photos and videos taken with its front camera. So here guys, the front camera of the Google Pixel 10 at 4K 30 is the maximum resolution for video recording. Let's find some shade here. Let's see if the high dynamic range is already working. Let's clear up this question right away. Oh, it does, guys. Look at that. It keeps the sky visible. My face is still a little dark, but it tries hard because the sun is really strong here. Look, let's go here now. See, it holds up well here. Focus on me. Very good, huh? Look at this. Top high dynamic range, top for video at 4K 30 on the Google Pixel 10. Let's walk a little more here. Stabilization, I can see it shaking a bit. Look, now I started walking here on this floor, which is really uneven. I can see it shaking a lot. I don't know if it's going to stabilize after post-processing, but there it is for you guys. Front camera, Google Pixel 10a at 4K at 30 FPS. Awesome, guys. The front camera is top notch. Really cool. Excellent quality. The microphone too. Very good audio capture. Not to mention the video stabilization, which was excellent, and the high dynamic range for video as well. On the front camera, they nailed it, did a great job. And now let's move on to the back part, which has only two cameras. A main one with 48 megapixels and optical image stabilization, and a second one, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide. And it can record all of it in 4K at 60 FPS. Let's check out some photos and videos. Now with its rear cameras. And now guys, the rear camera 4K at 60 FPS of the Google Pixel 10a. Here I have an option to enable stabilization, which in this case I activated for the front camera. There wasn't this option to enable stabilization before. Walking here, you can see that it stabilizes the focus very well. It's very fast, very good. Let's see now. We don't open the ID angle and the zoom goes up to 5x at 4K 30. Coming back here now, great, walking a little more. Monster stabilization, really good, it's awesome. Rear camera Google Pixel 10a, I'm lowering the rear camera resolution to full high definition 30, I'm walking here. It still stabilizes really well, it has the stabilization function enabled. And look, I'm here recording, look at me here, and we can still open the angle. It's on this option here, look, 0.5x and you can go up to 5x zoom, okay? It's still a very good quality, but in full high definition. Let's go back here now to 1x. And there you go, guys, rear camera of the Pixel 10, a full high definition 30 with stabilization and recording here with the wide angle too. Awesome, guys. I really like the photos and videos from both the rear and front cameras. Excellent quality. Google always does a great job. Very good color quality in the photos, and the stabilization for videos is also excellent. But anyway, comment down below what you thought about this guy's cameras. Right here and now, let's go to our final summary with the positive and negative points, in my opinion, starting with the positives. Processor, screen, stereo sound, and cameras, both front and rear. These are the positive points for me. And now for the negative points. Let's start with the battery. As I said, it's a lithium battery. If it were a silicone and carbon battery, it would easily deliver at least 7,000 mAh and there would be plenty of battery life here. And I also think that its 30-watt charger left a bit to be desired. It could have been a charger with at least 50 or 60 watts of power, but that's it. I want your opinion. What do you think of this device? Is it cool or not, good or bad? Comment below, your feedback matters. Before you leave, don't forget to check if you left a like on the video. Go ahead and do it now. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with everyone to help support the channel. We're in this together. Thank you all. God bless. Big hugs. See you next time. I'm out.